There's the arrival fly past of the Sea King, and they're now positioning to deploy the winchmen. One of the crew, Sergeant Pete Wood, they're going to drop him so that he is going to act as a survivor, and then they're going to go and pick him up, find him and pick him up.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the crew of the Romeo Golf 122.
40 feet long at its maximum height is that cable. They regularly end up using quite a lot of it, especially in the mountains. Winchman Sergeant Pete Wood won the Cosford Sprint Triathlon in 2011. Captain of the aircraft is squadron leader Alex Brassington, who's actually the CO of the flight. 22 Squadron is one of the 2 search and rescue squadrons. And they have flights dispersed around the country. This, as I say, is Sea Flight and Valley on the island, our Royal Marine Base. And B is at Watcham in Suffolk. The helicopter comes down so as to minimise the amount of time that person has to spend on the end of a wire. They said when you're being winched into the aircraft on a bit of wire that's thinner than a pencil, it makes a lot of the jobs quite turning sideways on so as to point straight towards us, and then to continue going round with a little dance down the display line. You can see the winchman and the radar winch operator in the door there. They're film stars. They're quite used to the public gaze. They starred in BBC Wales television series Helicopter Rescue. If you're right out there on the front line, you'll be getting an amazing idea of just how big this helicopter is.